started through that subconscious layer. And how does that translate into the denser realms? Because you could say the subconscious would be the bigger realms. Our dimension is more inward. And then you could say there's a dimension even more inward that relates more to concepts such as like the jinn, the demon, and tulpas and things of that nature. And so when you really hold a pinpointed focus of delusion or of a doubt or of a harmful spiral, you'll start to create habitats for these beings to exist within. And so it's all very interconnected. Yeah.
That's really interesting. And it makes me want to bring up CE5 because I think on one of your videos you said something about that when we practice CE5 we're connecting with seventh harmonic entities. Can you speak on that?
I don't know if I've ever used that term before.
Okay.
But go ahead.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so the question I believe should be, when we're doing CE5, do you believe that we are connecting with a seventh harmonic entity? In your time atom chapters of the book, you speak about human consciousness existing within a sixth. We have six harmonics, right? And then if there's a being that is another dimensional or another harmonic that is an interdimensional being.
I get exactly what you're saying, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I messed up the question, my bad.
That's okay.
No, it's all good. So yeah, I mean,
I wrote the question out earlier.
Just to break that down a little bit more, you could say that each one of the conscious harmonics we have in our brain is a different dimensional layer. So delta through fast gamma is 6 harmonics of experience for the human body.
Yeah.
But what happens when we have an out-of-body experience or near-death experience? We hit that fast gamma, which somewhat indicates that we're doubling the vibration, right? So between delta and theta is 2 times. So 2.5 hertz is a delta wave. You multiply that by 2, you're in theta. Multiply it by 2, you're in alpha, then beta, slow gamma, fast gamma. Well, when people hit that fast gamma, they're already interacting with, you could say, the DMT elves or angels.
I was thinking about that.
Yeah.
So that, it's hard to, I think that's our biggest clue physically that we have as far as our physical dimension, is that when we hit that certain harmonic of experience, we have interactions with beings from different dimensions. And potentially the 10 hertz wave for the human, the alpha wave, is only that for our dimension. And so we go delta to fast gamma relative to our dimensional layer, but they could also be delta through fast gamma within their dimensional layer. But when you think about time dilations, that would end up being the 160 hertz wave or 320 hertz wave relative to our perception of the universe. Is that making sense?
Oh, yeah. Good
Okay.
answer.